Hello there. Uh, yeah, I just waited for this moment. I guess I got an intro. Okay. Also, I probably need to fix this error. Well, it's not quite an error, but it still bothers me enough. But yeah, I drew an intro. I had this task in Habitica for like a lot of time. Even before I started redoing Pixamo. It's the reason why I started redoing Pixamo again. Apart from game jams, because yeah, someday I'm gonna do another game jam. Okay, so it's probably in alerts. What is it? Alert box. Uh, what a plushie. You do you have Glenda? Alert box, huh? Wait, alerts is alert here, alert box. This is Glenda, and oh, I think it's also alias to plan 9. But you are not gonna be making alias. You're not gonna be using aliases here. If you want, you can rename plushie with a bank name. Okay, so alerts, sprite frames, set animation loop. So here, play default. No, do sprite frames docs. One more, sure. You wanna get first. I know. Markdown. Oh, camel. You want a oh camel? Sure, you're gonna have a camel. You can have two. Oops. Ah, sure, it works. Cache catch. Oh, I feel like it's actually okay. You can still catch it. You can still catch. You caught it. Yeah, let's go. You can still catch your camel. So play. Uh, clear. Where is it? Sprite play? Oh, hold on. Sprite is what's sprite? Animated sprite to the. Oh, camel couldn't have caught. Can give you another one. I really wanted this. So it's animated sprite. Oh, this happens so often lately. Camel was defeated. When you see your camel was defeated, it means it's defeated. 2 times. I guess next time we're gonna do it. Play. Okay, I can do play without a name probably. That's why. That's what I need. Um. So set animation loop. But you're still first now. Now okay. You're gonna get another chance sometime soon. Hopefully. By the way, if you do you have anyone? I do have someone in the team probably. Oh, I have 3 plushes. I have Glenda. Team Infinite. I don't need the level 7, 26 attack, 23 defense. XP 5 out of 120. So yeah, you have levels. Did you know that? Also, for some reason I see a cut off there. It's probably outline cutting off. We both have Glenda. Well, I guess I caught it before. You got one. So yeah, you can do bank team in the name of the plushie, and you can see not only attack and defense now, but also XP and the level, and yeah, and the amount of XP you need to level up. Um, Leveling up will give you more points towards attack and defense, and level is just, well, uh, level is actually high Jax. Level is actually calculated dynamically from your attack and defense. You get XP from fighting plushies. I feel like I need to do duels. I need to do something special for duels probably. So let's do a quick tangent on Godot. They have 0 XP because every time you level up, XP goes to 0. Oh, actually, huh? Oh wait, you did level up? No. Wait, what? Micro didn't level up. Level 1. Micro is on level 1. So Micro did not level up. And Rust did not level up either. It had base attack and defense. You changed your SFU. What's SFU? When I trust and it was easier than C++. Okay, so we can do that. There we go. Angel wants a camel. But I need. Oh my god, it lags again. Oh, why? I need to fix maximum velocity. Because, yeah, damage depends on the level, on the attack, and velocity also depends on the attack, but velocity is capped. So this doesn't happen. Camel was caught. Let's go. Okay, where are plushies? Do I do this? Yes, I do this. Plushie. Your team consists of 6 plushies, but you have 7 plushie decks, because you gave away one. So we have plushie probably in here. It's like where do they have XP stuff? Here, gain XP. If attack target is not alive after a new joins. Oh, that's because you caught all of them. You didn't kill any. Nigel. You have 0 XP because you haven't killed any plushie. Any plushes. Haven't defeated any. Well, actually, you have defeated one. Yeah, you have defeated a camel. Huh. Let me see where it was. Team member. The camel was defeated. Punch. Catch camel. Which one was that? It was Rust. Huh? That's weird. Yeah, that's weird. That is weird. If caught not equals null. Well, yeah, that's right. Then we get XP for the attack plus defense times 5. Wait, what? Oh, it's attack target stats here, that's right. We have Texelware, which I think Satan and Rare both are alias too. Um. Anyway, so why didn't this work? Hmm. That's weird. I have tested it. I have literally tested it. Why doesn't it work? Attack target, also max. I wanted to change max velocity. Um, so I'm gonna do one. I'm just gonna do one here. Punch to death. Okay, so here I remove the joints. I mean I do remove joint, not just remove all the joints. And remove joints. Does Q3 on joints. Recalculates weights and similar. From Teika Author's YouTube channel. And he uses a camera primarily. So where's the life? Get rigid bodies. So I checked joints array. It should work. Huh? Also I wanted to check out the alert box. So let's work on multiple things at once, and I should have been doing Orco, but I guess overlay is something I must be fixing every stream. Get frame texture. Do I need a name? I do need a name. What is also default? Add animation, set animation speed, add frame. Okay, so this. Wait, I should have a line number or something, no? Here. Oh wow, you need to scroll a long way. And I can't really. Really. I have to scroll manually. Let's say that. Here, finally. Finally. Already has animation default. Oh, that doesn't give me. Doesn't quite give me the thing. Tokyo. Hi, Devninia. You are right here. I can say that. So add frame. I guess I still need that. Huh? Set animation speed 1/8. Yeah, then you wanna get in front of Nigel. I'm pretty sure this is not possible anymore. I mean, clear animation. I will restart. Hold on. In order to restart, I need to stop this instance. Choose this. So hold on, please. Maintenance. And testing and stuff. I'm going to read flashing. Hold on. We're booting up. We'll boot it up. Now you can check your team. Always on visible workspace. Oh my god, what is this? Why is my mouse just so bad at clicking? Okay, so what's this and what's this? From linear types to Rust.
I'm gonna start recording. This is going to YouTube.
55
maybe.
minutes. Is it a video? It's not even a stream. Doesn't even look like a stream. And he said start recording. Literally a video. From linear types to what? To Rust. What is this? It's a screenshot. JSON. Entry points enum. What is this? Name enum. Package type executable. Entry points enum. What are entry points? I mean, I guess entry. Why are there multiple entry points? Your packages. Oh, it's yank the JSON. CLI RS. Hold on, what? Why do you have a Rust file open? Oh wow. Trace. What? Why is yank CLI written in Rust? Well, in Cargo you may have multiple binaries and libraries in one project. Then I never seen them called entry points, so I guess that's why I'm confused. Command sum init. Okay, so you're using right, whatever. So you're using Rust for the CLI. That's pretty cool. Oh, yeah. What else can I say? Also, Plasma. Well, we all love Plasma here. Since every entry point results in an executable or library, shared object or DLL. Might be a regular object, doesn't have to be a shared object. Statically linked libraries can also be possible. Nice approach to start with a package manager. Well, I don't know. I guess you could do a build system first, but like, like, what do you do there? You need something to build or something to package in order to do stuff. So yeah, I wanted to check something. Oh, okay. Um, what have I changed? I have changed first of all animation. Please, can somebody redeem the anything basically. Hi Cuman. I start with the package manager if you can start with the package. Right. So can somebody redeem something? Gorley. Look up. In the meantime I can try. Oh wait, I need T plus. I can't have, hold on. I mean you can try. Okay, so we've got hydrate. Yes, thank you for hydrate. What's happening? Chromium is getting destroyed. Okay, so what I wanted to see is, do we get an error? Up somewhere up there. About default. Okay, we don't. That means I did something right. No, we do. I didn't do something right. Oh, I already had an animation default. That makes sense. Where's the alert box? So I need to get rid of this. Which should work. Catch Chromium. Chromium despawned. Timed out. Unfortunately. So you couldn't even get any XP here, Lambda. But sorry, what's unleashed if you'll ever see this. I need, oops, I need a random plushie. Oh, wait, oh my god, I need a different one. I need the one that one shots. I did actually. That was a mix of events. Team, infinite. Pause the preview. I guess I can. You say this all the time. So, level 7 XP 5 out of 120, then I punch. And I punch again. And I punch again because bad setup. Oh. Wait, what? How did that happen? Oh no, don't say just. Wait, what? Did they, did they free too early? It's like, this executed, and the next frame came, and then I checked if it's alive? What? That can't happen. Ah. Wait, it's nil. It would have been an invalid instance, that's wrong. Where's the attack? How could it be nil? Did they set it explicitly? I am setting it here. Hmm. I can't have multiple processes running at the same time, no. And this isn't even a loop. Wait, what? I explicitly check if it's not nil. If it's not now. It's not possible. How? How did this happen? Whatever, I guess let's try again. 10 grams of potatoes. Okay, wait. Captain Onosa was defeated twice. Wait, what? Yeah, this would make much more sense, but still, why did this happen? Confirmed potato PCs. Now, Kiwi has a good PC compared to mine, at least. I'm pretty sure. CPU from 1994. Mine is from 1920. I guess. I mean, it's pretty recent. It's Ryzen 5. I just have 6 gigs of RAM. That's like the only thing. Lurk, Nigel, have a nice lurk. Okay, so let's try that again. Hopefully. Wait, I forgot to pin this here. Random plushie, team. Oh wait, I did this again. Infinite. So yeah, XP didn't change, still 5. Sorry, Glenn. I have to. Punch. Wait, what have I? Oh, I'm in emotes again. Wait, what? ID of type nil. Okay, somebody clicked on the screen. But why did it mess up again? Why is everything nil? Bido, excuse me. Your variables just become nil at some point, randomly. I just, like, this doesn't make any sense. Since on hit message it's just, yeah, here, hit message, connect. Signal. It's a signal, oh, I meet message here. Oh wait, parse string can be nil. I guess I have to do this here instead. Now. Also. Well, yeah, this should be. Hi. Ivanhoe, I guess your name is pronounced. Maybe I'm interested in what is this? Baby. Baby Power, Godot,
Найди свой хит этого лета.
Sorry for the ads. I don't have a choice. What is this game engine combo?
At Game from Scratch, we're going to be doing a
What's
game
this?
engine fusion, Imagine Boost style. What we've got here is the Bevy Rust framework. This is one of the most popular frameworks for game development in the land of Rust programming. It has a hell of a lot of potential, and at the heart of
I like that Bevy has a lot of features. And guest tracking also overlay should be up again, and it should be always on visible workspace.
it is the ECS,
They don't like-
entity component.
I don't like
system.
ECS
So
in
this is
Bevy.
a
I just don't like
data-driven
ECS
game
at all.
framework Now, what it isn't, however, is blessed with an editor. This is more on the tooling side of things, but if you want to structure your game in an ECS-based system, this one might be the star of the ball. However, the lack of an editor may be a deal breaker for you. Well, we do have a game engine out there that is also open source that has a full editing environment, and that is the Godot game engine. Now, if you've never been on this channel before, you may not have heard of Godot. If you've been on this channel for more than a few days, you have no doubt heard about Godot. This is, I would argue, the most popular open source game engine out there, and I don't think too many people would disagree with me on that one. A full editing environment, and your scripting, your primary scripting system here is something called GDScript, which is sort of like, if you squint really hard, a Python-like programming language. You can also use C# and through GD extensions a number of other options. But what if I told you there is a project out there that brings...
Oh, it's like Jonas did Runity. I'm pretty sure it's Jonas Tyler who did Runity, Rust on Unity. Oh wait, no, it wasn't. Look, Discord call. Ads are playing. Oh my god, everything's happening. It wasn't actually Jonas Tyler. I'm pretty sure. It was oh, I don't remember the name of this guy. Who's this, like a Rust Bevy guy who did a lot of Rust Bevy games and the voxel engine also. I can't remember their username. I know, typing game was the last, I'm pretty sure, video. So this guy, I'm pretty sure this guy made Runity. Where? Oh, here. Tantan. Hi. This guy. I'm pretty sure. Actually, I should have searched for Runity in the first place. Unity. So I'm pretty sure he made Runity, and it's like Bevy and Unity together somehow working.
Bevy and its ECS and Rust language to the Godot game engine. Well, there isn't. Okay, because there are two. That's the thing. We've actually got this new project called Godot Bevy, which we're going to look at today. This is all about, it's a Rust library that brings Bevy's powerful ECS to the versatile Godot game engine, uses Bevy's ergonomic and high-performance Rust ECS with your Godot project to get the best of both worlds. So you can create your game inside of Godot, have all of your world editing done using the tools there, but you could then have your logic done using Rust and Bevy. So you see here, seamlessly integrates the Bevy ECS into Godot 4 projects, use the Bevy system to control Godot nodes, spawn Godot scenes from Bevy, maintain clean separation between ECS logic and the Godot scene tree, leverage the full power of Bevy's Rust-based ECS while using Godot's editor and rendering capabilities, and the system can be scheduled for the visual or physics frames. So you see examples of setting this one up. I'm going to show you this one in action because there is a little bit you have to go through. By the way, this is...
And whatever this is.
By the way, it's a monstrosity of a logo that...
What's this?
So this brings the power of the Bevy ECS to the mature engine capabilities of we have the Godot. All right, build complete. So we now have
or whatever this is, Windows.
Dodge the creeps. Partial implementation coming up next. So we're going to go here just a second. So what I'm going to...
so I don't know. Again, Bevy for the logic. I don't really like making games with game engines. Even with Godot. I'm using Godot for my overlay because it's not just a game. It's something that's gonna be in development forever. So somehow I'm attacking twice. Somehow this executes twice. How? I'm waiting for the timeout. Oh, I'm waiting for the next frame. I'm waiting for the next frame where this happens. Oh my god. Okay, what I should do here is set attack hits to 0. Now that should fix it. How have I not caught it before? And it's like, it's such a bug. Oh, first and third place didn't even load. Hold on. But I did. Well, I did probably because it's preloaded broadcaster account. Always invisible workspace. Let's try this again. So I'd like this to be here. Okay, why? Again, null. So many null errors. So many. In this case, actually, I should have. If member. I actually should have returned here. Because I should have checked. Yeah, I should have checked it. How have I not? Now if you do a random plushie name, it's just gonna crash. Huh? I mean, not now, but before. Here I am checking. Huh? Whatever. Oh my god, what am I doing? It's not here. I miss window rules from Plasma. Okay. Team Rust. Wait, Team Infinite. I don't have Rust. Plushie Infinite Punch. So this is 5 XP. And it's still. Okay, it happens once. But it's still none. It's still nil. Why? This is like wrong. Why am I even timing it out? Why am I even waiting? I shouldn't have waited here in the first place. I'm waiting one frame to call this. Well, stats, I'm pretty sure it's fine. Why? It literally just sends a message and saves the store. That's so dumb. I mean, maybe I wanted to have an animation here or whatever. I don't know. Okay, so let's try another fight. Manjaro. I actually used Manjaro before. It's a pretty nice Linux distro. Okay, I'm going for the cursor for whatever reason instead of Manjaro itself. Okay, yeah, let me help myself. Attack hits left more. It's hard to like. Well, actually, I guess I could do this. Wait. Huh? I can't control it. Defeat. Oh my god, why is it not working? Come on, Manjaro, get out of here. It's like, who does the final hit? Oh my god. Come on, finally. Oh my god, I received XP. Finally. And I guess that's why I did delay here. See, it should work now. And also redeem. Let's test it. Where's the hydrate? Here. Test with the hydrate. Why not hydrate as well? And here we should theoretically see Kilimanjaro was defeated and there is no error. Well, I mean there are a lot of errors, but it seems to work. So did I miss anything? I'm pretty sure I didn't. Ivanhoe, welcome to the stream. Sorry for not quite talking about it. So yeah, let's close this and restart the overlay from though, come on. Two resources still needed. Come on. Okay, no, it's fine. Now let's run it properly this time, and we'll get back to Rust and compiler development, which is what I was going to do from the beginning. And we can also have a plushie, because why not? Okay, Xbox, whatever. I ruined it. The leech. So what do we have right now? I'm pretty sure I don't have much oxygen, so I guess I should probably fix it. Rocket source. Wait, this was not meant to be here. Oh wait, this was meant to be here. Okay, let me fix air. Now I can breathe, but there's also noise, probably. Yeah. By the way, we don't have music today. I don't know. Do we really need it? So source. Front end. So for the front end we have a source trait. I don't even have anything any front end trait. Only the source. So how do we actually work with that? Actually, should I separate it into declaration source and definition source and the codegen source? I guess I could, you know. Declaration source and regular source, which is gonna be declaration source. Wait, yeah, right. For more detail. So, source of declarations. So no, I don't need this. I mean, this has one function. One function. Okay, whatever. I guess I could have them together. It's backend separate makes more sense. So a source. I mean, right now I only care about code gen, I guess. So I'll do front and root or whatever. Or like get a create ID. So this should have actually returned. It does actually return something. It does return a create ID. Well, a create builder ID. I don't know if it's much useful. It's useful. If it's useful at all, but still. Um. hmm. So it has this as a source, and we'll do declare backend. In reality, I don't even know. Wait, sources. So package is composed out of sources, so we either need IDs or we need references. For now, I guess let's just do. I mean, we need the mutable access to this. I don't know. I guess let's just do array front and like a crate. Array each AR crate. Rationalizer. Um. So how would I get the crate ID? From crate builder, I think. Dependency vector of dependency. Oh, it's a name. Yeah, it just includes a name. Reverse dependencies. It's just all crates iterator. Reverse dependencies. Oh, wait, transitive, that's not reverse. Anyway, this won't help. So just all. It was all crates. Parse relevant crates. So I get crate ID from this. Crate builder ID. What can I do with it? It's an index of crate builder. It's like crate graph specific. BHER. Search for crate builder. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's not. Yeah, it's not gonna be there. Well, I guess I could just do like grade 0 for now. Front end. So I could do this actually. So I'm pretty sure this is a vector. Oh yeah. Then let's just do first wrap. And let's do source beam front end. So source of front end and crate. This was meant to be a semicolon, and this was meant to be borrowed. And I'm pretty sure it's not gonna let me cause privacy now. Oh, lifetime specifier. I'm pretty sure it's not gonna let me because, well, privacy. Private fields. Yeah. Hold on. Okay, back to it. So yeah, this doesn't quite work. I guess let's just do like first fan source. First to self souls. So self, but I need a create. I guess I could do like a create. Right. Her create like that. And I could do front and source create. And now I'm gonna do impl source orco. Actually, do I have use orco front and sof and so I have greenlift. Yeah, I do the same thing basically. So we'll do of source for source declare for in self. I don't know, one dot modules self 0 db. So this is modules. It takes def map. It gets create def map. And just iterates over def maps modules. I'm pretty sure def map could have more than just modules. Preludes. Diagnostics, data, whatever. I guess I'll just go through with through modules and then for mods. What's wrong? Oh, lifetimes. Whatever. I don't care about lifetimes. Module. So I could do items or declarations. Self 0 db. Now, for decal in, I just need to declare everything. I need to test something. So in C, if I do, I remember trying that. If I do struct B, struct A, B, B, and then I'll do struct B, X. We'll just compile like int X that takes A and return A dot B dot X. Oh, and struct here. So this should work, right? It won't. Incomplete type. It's defined later. Come on. So I can do a pointer here, rather than easy. What's wrong? Oh, I need an arrow here, but So I must have this before. Yeah, that's annoying. It's gonna be annoying to deal with. So order of declarations actually matters. I'll figure it out. Topological sort. So backend, what do I have? Function, I'm pretty sure. Match tackle. So everything here is just gonna be pretty simple. DB. I'll just wait. I didn't press asterisk. Ah, no. SSTR to und. Whatever. Whatever. Now I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna do into actually. Okay, that works. Now I'm gonna do source declare, but for that I need a backend. Let backend be okay, well, let's cargo runs it first. Well, a lot of warnings. 6 warnings here and 1 here. Well, that's easy. Other other stuff. Oh, status. I remember the status. Status thinking. So that's for a file. Huh. Creates for file 0. Sorry, hit the microphone. Okay, so I need backend. Or codegen. So I have Tamago here, and so for the front end, I'm gonna temporarily do codegen. I do need to add it here. Cargo watcher failed. Just failed. Oh, it didn't build and ran. That's interesting. I didn't really do anything here though. So it makes sense. Let's close all this for now and let's do so I'm gonna derive default on here. Tamago. So what does Tamago actually Provide. A crate for codegen. I have modules and stuff here. Oops. So do we have function builder? Oh, directives. Scope. I guess I need scope. Scope. Scope is probably just like scope new and fields. Oh, new the scope builder. New and then global statements, new lines, whatever. I don't like builder thingy, especially if it's gonna take stuff. Oh, it takes stuff. That's so annoying. I mean, I guess I could just reassign stuff, because that's not how I'm gonna be doing this. Oh. So I'm gonna do use Oracle backend SOB, and then it's gonna be Tamago. Tamago scope builder. Do we have default here? We don't have default here. You could have derived default, dude. That's why. Okay, import default then. Self new. Generate pub new. Return self and resolve to import my cargo toml for the backend. Oracle workspace true. No, it's gonna be self tamago scope new. And let's send impl Oracle backend declaration backend for backend Patricia Parker 1. Hi. I don't know. I'm here. And personally I don't think compiler development is fun to watch. But when people are here, it's fine. So self zero. We can do global statement. Can do just a function. No shortcuts for me. Global statement. So now I need Tamago. How does it work? Give me an example. Oh, global state is num. What? You know what? It's too verbose. Oops, too much. Global statement function new name return type and it's function builder. So name return type for now is void. I don't know how to do types. There's a new base type. Is there void? It's base type. It's just base type in Ah, come on. I mean, I mean, I guess this is just an IR. That's not equals to what? Array is a U size. Pointers is a U8. It's a number, I guess, of stars. There's a number of stars currently stored here. Whatever. Base type void. I mean, that's just hard coded, I guess. It's fine. Then on function builder. Actually, I don't need function. I need function declaration. Declaration or definition. Okay, so function new whatever. Red is in line. Is static. Is external body block. Body does not have to exist. Oh no. How do you do a declaration or definition? How do you do a declaration? You need a declaration specifically. Okay, so that does not really include the way formats. Whatever. Right, self name, print theme. Closing parenthesis and oh, so if there are statements in the body, so we can't have empty functions. What? That's so bad. I think like statements return with a semicolon without anything if I want an empty function. And not self is external. To me that looks like weird. Format block. It's a block. Oh, it's a Tamago formatter. Makes sense. Still, that's weird. But I guess I just finish it. So how do I finish build? And here I do build. Wait. Build. And hope for the best. And semicolon. What does global statement return? Oh, it's self 0 equals. Cannot move out. Oh my god. Why couldn't it be mutable? Why couldn't you just make it mutable? Maybe there's something better than that. C codegen. Some schema of the API. Rec. C compiler. CXX codegen. C bindgen. Reddit rep. Subreddits. Why is there a thing to download subreddits when I'm searching for C codegen? Debus on demand loader, whatever. C++ and Rust code generator. Supports XML and JSON for API definitions. No C, that's probably not what I'm looking for. It's also 8 years ago. But 13 versions. I mean, guess I should consider that. Generate from XML definition. Generate raw stuff. Do CPP to Rust. Not quite what I need. C API tooling. What is this? 5 days ago. No. Or a CPA code generators must with a Rust boilerplate need for exposing Rust to C, whatever. SMX played it by Gen. Whatever. Oh, look at that. Look at that package. Oh wow. 10 months ago. Pretty recent, huh? I'm pretty sure it even works. Biscuit converter. Decimal ASCII parser, whatever this is. Inkwell. It's LLVM wrapper. Like, what is Tamago stated as then? Generate C. Guess that's what I should have searched for. Interoptopus. Interoptopus. Well, that's Rust or whatever. It's not quite what I need. FPGA interface. Citrus Tamago. Cyanogen. Whatever this is. Let's source name. Let code in just a C file here. Let template, huh? Don't want to do it manually. CS binding generator. Why is there no libraries? So there are not many crates that generate C code. Apparently. Rust generates C code. I don't need like a binding thing. I just need a codegen thingy. Header, whatever. Whatever this is. But I don't need to convert Rust into C. I need to generate C. I'm just like googling at this point. Code generation. Here, code generator create. It's probably just a model. Builder pattern to provide a pretty API, you hope. Well, unfortunately, it's not quite perfect because I can't move stuff out. Actually, I might be able to do like std mem replace or something. What do I have here? Manually drop, transmutability, transmute, that's not what I need. I need to like move it out and then move back in. Needs drops, zeroed, swap. Take T default. Wait, what do I have here? It's replace destination by T default. I need something like replace but with a function. Read via copy, write via move. Drop, copy, take. Transmute, copy. Discriminant of a type. Of an enum. Whatever. It's discriminant. Variant count of an enum. Intrinsics, yay. Offset of public macro. What a syntax. I like that syntax. Built-in syntax. Allow internal unstable built-in syntax, whatever. Okay, so I don't know about the mem function. Okay, so if I move it out and then move it back, like I can do partial moves, but I can't do full moves. Why? But I might be able to do like a tuple. Okay, that's such a weird thing. Reminds me of Python. And like I'll do self 0 0 and I move it out, partial move. And then I'll do self 0 0. I can't, I still can't do partial moves. I'll do what I'll do a function here. So it's gonna be mute self. It's not gonna be. Actually, it is gonna be public. And since I'm making it public, I should also pub use Tamago as a re-export. So declare statement, global statement, self 0. Mem replace self 0, but by scope new. So this should it creates compiler new. It doesn't really do much work, and it should get optimized away, hopefully. Scope, and then I'm gonna do self 0. So it's gonna be mute ref to this. And then I can do scope dot global statement, or actually like that. STMT. And also do public function new line. Actually no, not yet. Or I might do like pubfn. scope. Like modify scope. Or like, okay, so let's do F, which is impulse, impulse fn once, which takes mutable scope builder. Well, actually, it takes scope builder and returns scope builder. And scope builder. So I'm gonna take do self 0. I'm gonna do this basically. I don't really need that. So I'm just gonna do modify scope here. Scope. Oops. Can do scope dot. Something like this maybe. Should work, you know. And then in the end, I can public function build self turns I don't know scope self 0 scope build. At backend equals codegen assign OP. I shouldn't see this because it's private. Come on, it's a private re-export. Wonder if it's actually gonna be. Yeah, it is private. Why are you showing this then? So back and new. I guess I could re-export like Tamago as TM instead, so it's shorter, and then I can prefix everything with this. Okay, kinda works. What's the build all about? Why is it never used? It's public! Oh, it's because it's tracked as private. Oh my god. Now this should make this should work. Now source declare backend and then source build. Wait, backend build. And build and then like print len. Or actually oh yeah, I should be able to just print it something like that. Right? So it's a straight array here. Wait. Use or co frontend source straight. Cargo add OF. Okay, let's just do work of frontend. Mutable reference as well, so we don't move. I need to declare. This is so messed up. Now it should just be able to build it, and it should just show up as something as a function with no parameters, no returns, no nothing, no anything. Yeah, let's go. void. Finally, we've generated the function. Kinda. Well, I guess it matches. Debug. With target debug or co-array. Here, you can compare them side by side. Actually, I can do here. Don't they look similar? Well, I guess that's what we were going for. Now I'm going for like 1.5 hours. That's not much, but I might just end here, cause yeah. Who knows what's gonna happen next time? When next time is gonna happen? Hopefully tomorrow. Hopefully I can stream tomorrow again. It's short. I feel like it's unreasonably short. As Titan is doing. He was less active today. Oh, how's it going? How was your lane going? I remember you're like, um, it doesn't really matter. It doesn't really matter. Almost compiling to x86-64. Are you just generating plain assembly as a text, or are you using something like, yeah? Well, is there actually, uh, I feel like there should be a crate for generating assembly here. Oh wait, that's an assembler. Very simple, not C calling convention compatible assembly. I'm pretty sure there should be a way to generate it. Yeah, here. You're generating gas. Yeah, you can take a look at this. I think I saw it somewhere before because this looks similar. I mean familiar. I I bang. You're generating gas. This sentence sounds wrong out of context. This sentence does sound wrong out of context. So yeah, section label. I'm pretty sure those are expressions, so you can just do stuff. So yeah, you can. Oh, it's a vector. No, a vector trait. Like, I mean, I guess there's not much advantage. You can just write, but I always prefer using stuff like this. I don't know, no particular reason. But either way, I don't think you should be generating x86-64 assembly unless uh unless you're making your own compiler backend, which okay, so one thing for sure, register allocation is hard. I was reading a book about compiler development and they said register allocation is hard. You can't do it right. So just use something that can generate stuff. Anyway, I think I'm gonna raid Astatin. Because assembly for Game Boy, why not? Pretty weird, sure, I don't care. I think it's gonna be fine. Load A, load HL. HL, is HL a low H or a
Is
high
my
L?
avatar mimicking my head and eye movements, or is it just random?
Project Assembly have target agnostic type checking. And involving its output to make it easy to implement LLVM IR target after this. Well, sounds good, yes. LLVM is kind of annoying to work with, I think, because Orco was originally meant to. So Orco was originally meant to run on LLVM, but so first backend was meant to be LLVM, but then I tried to launch Inkwell. It said that I don't have LLVM installed, and I just okay, I don't need that. No. So it needs some libraries or binaries and no. Anyway, I guess I'll see you next time. Maybe we'll change it. Maybe I'll be playing Minecraft next stream. I mean, probably not just playing Minecraft, but who knows? Maybe I'll do a command block thingy. Yeah, see you. Bye. Imagine compiling. And don't. I forgot once to turn off stream. I'm not gonna